Now today we discuss exercise 3.3, question 2, part 2. Question is that 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Noori and Sonu? Now solutions is that let the present age of Noori equal to X year. Now and the present age of Sonu equal to Y years. 80 क्यों? According to question, the linear equation will be there are the two situations here. First situation is that 5 years ago Noori was thrice as old as Sonu, and second situation is that 10 years later Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. Now 5 years ago, and second situation is that 10 years, here also yes, 10 years later. Now here situation become Noori was thrice. 5 years ago Noori was thrice as Sonu. X minus 5 equal to Y minus 5 thrice. First situation become like that, and second situation become X plus K 10 equal to Y plus K 10. Okay, this is the situation, and the second situation is that 10 years later Noori will be twice. Okay, then will become twice. Now solving these situation, X minus K 5 equal to 3Y minus K 15. X minus K 3Y equal to minus K 15, and transposing minus 5 plus K 5, and this become X minus K 3Y equal to minus K 10. And first situation. Now here X plus 10 equal to 2Y 20. Here X minus K 2Y equal to 20 minus K 10. X minus K 2Y equal to 10. Okay, now solving these linear equation by elimination method. Okay, we have discussed in a previous chapter, exercise 3.2, which method? The method is substitution method. Okay, we have learned by substitution method. Then we can solve these two equations by substitution method and also by elimination method. Here we discuss and solving these equations by the elimination method. Right? Now solving these equations. Now subtracting equation first from equation second, we get, okay, here second equation is that x minus, marker is not running properly, now we take a marker here, x minus 2y equal to 10, and subtracting equation first, x minus k 3y equal to minus k 10. Now subtract plus here, right? Cancel out minus x plus x. Now y here 3 is the plus 3 and minus 2. Then subtracting these plus 1. Now 10 plus 10 20. Okay. Here y is equal to 20. Now putting the value of y here, we solving here. Putting the value of y in equation first, we get, okay, here first equation x minus k 3y minus k 10, x minus k 3, putting the value of y 20 minus 10, here x minus k 3 to 60 minus k 10, here x is equal to minus 10 and transposing to the right, minus 60 become plus k 60, here x is equal to 50, okay, here x is equal to 50 and y is equal to 20. Now solution will become, hence now we writing here, okay, and there is no space there, now writing here, hence the present age of Nuri equal to, present age of the Nuri is x, here x is 50, okay, now 50 years. The present age of Sonu equal to y years, here value of the y is 20. Alright, this is the solutions of this question.